This week we are doing a quick but very effective bar ab sculpting, diastasis recti, and pelvic floor healing class to work on mummy tummy and stop leaking. Ballet dancers have some of the best abs and best bodies, and so this is a ballet bar inspired class, and all you need is a chair. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome also. My name is Jessica Pumple. I'm a pre- and postnatal fitness instructor, and I help mom heal their core, their diastasis recti, and their pelvic floor in 30 days. We put out new videos every week on Wednesdays, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, ding the bell so you get notified every time when we release a new video, and share with your other mommy friends. It really means the world to me. We're going to start in first position, and you can place your hands on your hips, and we're going to do some Tendu Pulses. So we'll go out to the front and pulse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Focus on your core, tightening your core, your pelvic floor, and back, and we will go to the side for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in. And now we'll go to the back to pulse. Oh, I need to move my chair a little bit forward. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And we'll do it one more on the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to first position. From here, we're going to activate our core and do some simple port de bras. And so we're going to port de bras to the side and lift, and using our core, lift our ribs over. At the same time, we're going to go out to second position, and we'll do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and last one. Great job. And now we're going to, as we tendu forward, we're going to lift our rib cage, use our core just to tip back ever so slightly, and we will go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 more, and last one. Great job. So now we're going to turn back in our toes so that our toes are facing forward, and we're going to put our hand up, and then you can lift this foot up and we will crunch to the side. So 10, 9, using your core, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and last one. Perfect. So now we will do those 3 exercises on the other side. So I'll move that around there, and we will start with our Tendu Pulses. And so we are going to lift, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, activate your core, 2, and last one, and to the side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, see if you can Kegel, 4, 3, 2, and last one, and to the back, pulse, 10, 9, little tiny movements, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and in, and once more to the side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Perfect. Now we will port de bras, tipping our rib cage over, using our core muscles to do that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one, great job. And now to the back, Tendu forward, lift and tip, really using your core. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, great job. We can straighten out our legs, lifting up and crunch. 9, 8, 7, 6, really activating. 5, 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. And great job. Now we're going to take our feet wide apart and go into a sumo squat here. And here we're going to practice our elevator Kegel. So if you remember in the introduction, it's one of the ways to evaluate how you are Kegeling is if you can bring your Kegel up in 3 different levels. So you're picturing your raisin at the opening and you're going to bring it up 1 floor. Squeeze and lift a little bit more, 2nd floor and 3rd floor. And then release, release, release. Great job. So we'll do that 5 times and see if your strength is starting to increase. So floor 1, 2, 3, release, release, release. Can you feel the differences between the different floors? 1, 2, 3, and release, release, release. Fully relax. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let's do 1 hold for 10. 1 Kegel, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully let it go. So we're going to turn towards our chair. We're going to go up on our toes and come down. And we're going to do some pelvic tilts here. So we're going to inhale and you want to point your hip bones back and then using your core, tuck, tuck. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Great job. Come and shake it out. And now we'll take our feet apart a little bit, squat down so we're not on our toes this time, and tuck. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Great job. Now you can go on down to the description box and grab my complete guide on how I healed my 4-finger diastasis recti gap after my pregnancy, and comment below. You have to go down past all the other videos to the comment section at the very, very bottom, and let me know if you liked this bar sculpting class. And if you did, of course, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, ding the bell so that you don't miss any videos, and share with your other mom friends. This is really like a part-time job that I do for free, and so it means so much to me when people comment and let me know that they are enjoying the content and share it with other moms. And lastly, if you have any other questions or you want to be in a community with like-minded moms, you can go down to our pregnancy and postpartum Facebook group, and I will also put the link to that in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really love making videos for you guys every Wednesday, and I will see you next time. Bye.